as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new market got obsession. In a single day, microsurgeon on the chips. That I got a plan horizon like algorithms, trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes, automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks the run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandis, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new mutation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgeon on the chips, that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes, automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks the run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandis, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, a pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new market. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgeon on the chips, that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes, automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks the run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandis, now Markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, robbie that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got a fashion. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, robbie that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got a fashion. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, robbie that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got a fashion. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. Tandies, in the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase Tandies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, Tandies, everybody chasing Tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new mutation, market got a fashion. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Micron surging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. Tandies, in the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase Tandies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, Tandies, everybody chasing Tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new mutation, market got a fashion. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Micron surging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. Tandies, in the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase Tandies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, Tandies, everybody chasing Tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new mutation, market got a fashion. Yeah, Gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like you're chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I'm running everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new mutation, smirk, it got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like you're chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I'm running everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new mutation, smirk, it got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made.
Morning. Happy Thursday. How are you guys? Hola. Good morning. How's everyone doing today? Nice 30K bounce here on NQ. Okay. Okay, today's the last day of the week. Let's make sure to close this strong. We're having a pretty good week so far. Let's close the week like that. Let's keep going like that. I want to close the week strong. Any plans for tomorrow or Saturday for this long weekend? I took that bounce. Yeah, that 30k bounce was pretty nice. Very clean. Any data? Do we have data today? Let's see. Oh, we don't have data. Well, data was earlier today, so we don't have data over our session. Okay, so we have ES stronger than NQ. Let's see how it's gonna react here to yesterday's highs and pre-market highs. If ES can break yesterday highs, it's gonna have a nice run to maybe 600. Morning, Brian. Apple really nice 290 hold yesterday. Above 290, I think it can run a lot. Apple SMH is still pretty weak today. Let's see, Nvidia is not doing much. Yeah, SMH is very, very weak. My idea today, on a perfect world, I would love to have a day like yesterday. Take it early, nice trade, and be done with my day in like 30 minutes. NQ needs to break this little downtrend here. But as long as SMH keeps going lower, NQ's gonna have a hard time holding. Nvidia is now looking kind of weak also. Yeah, definitely discipline is everything, yes. Should I do another trade? Not sure if I'm being too greedy. That's gonna depend on how you trade. Some people trade like that's gonna depend on your style, to be honest. And we know when we're being greedy. I can tell you what's my style. My style is taking not too many trades, not more than 3. My style is taking the least amount of trades per day. Why I look for that? Because the market doesn't give you like good setups, that many good setups every single day. So if I think about taking less trades, it means I'm gonna be more picky with my trades, aka I'm gonna look for better setups. Okay, so ES is very strong. What's moving ES? Let me check. YM. Oh, YM it's strong. The Russell it's holding, but not like that. Okay. SMH is fighting the 620 level. Okay. Okay, I like this breakout here on ES. That's above yesterday's highs and pre-market highs. If can hold it, I like it for more upside. Let's see. Let's see if you can hold this little level here. That will be pre-market highs and yesterday's highs. Gonna wait for a clean hold here, guys. We still have NQ rejecting this little uptrend. We have SMH rejecting the VWAP. Apple 300, 302 is a resistance that needs to break. But I'm waiting for a clearing hold here. Okay, I definitely like that. That one is much better. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wait for this, like always. Yeah, really nice. Great, David. Congrats. That was pretty good. I'm not big on buying breakouts. I buy pullbacks. Beautiful, congrats. Nice trade there. This could be another entry here on NQ. If can hold here, around here, that could be another entry. If not, if it gives you a pullback here, that would be even better. Yeah. Thank you. Pull back here. Kind of around here will be nice. That will be your NQ break and retest. Another margarita. Morning. Today is my Friday, so I'm getting some happy hour tacos and margaritas. Yeah. Yeah, I honestly, guys, I think doing these streams also helped me a lot with not doing stupid trades. Because even if I don't want to think about this, I always, every time, like everyone that's streaming, is always thinking about the people that are watching. Either and it's gonna depend on your personality. Like me, I'm not like crazy or I'm not over the top, so having you guys watching me, it's making me even more patient, not doing something stupid. But then you have other traders that are more like over the top, that they will do something stupid so they can have more engagement. So I think, yeah, streaming helps me with my patience. Also think about it. When you if you're watching a streamer and you're kind of following their traits, if they have it over the top personality, they're gonna blow up a bunch of accounts just to get more engagement, but also they're gonna make more money off of you. Because if they blow up the accounts, most likely they're gonna have a lot of people also blowing up their accounts, and they're gonna use their code to buy it more. Let's see if I can have my pullback here on ES. You're late, Jonathan. Where were you? You're late today. People were asking for you. I'm only streaming here on YouTube. Okay. I haven't, no. Oh, I remember I said that I was gonna start my channel, my new channel in Spanish next month. This is already next month. I need to work on that. Honestly, I haven't got any time the past like few days, because with what happened in Venezuela, I'm volunteering in the afternoons. So I'm pretty busy right now. Like literally I do the streams here in the morning, and then I eat, work out, and then I go and volunteer. The only thing that I ask for you guys is to like the videos and subscribe. Is this gonna be it? Is this the pullback? Looks like that was the pullback here on ES. And I missed it. It was a mess. Damn, look at Hood today, guys. Oh. Hood is almost at 120. Oh, 118. Above 118. Remember when I told you guys to buy that I was buying Hood? It was around the 70s and upper 60s. It's double already. Look at these. Look at these beauty. Look at these beauty. Well, I think I missed the trade for today. When do you create your game plan? Honestly, guys, when I come here like at 9:30. Like, I've been doing this for so long that I don't really need to wake up like 3 hours before the market open and make a game plan. I just come here at 9:30. You guys see me literally going through the charts really quick and putting my 4 levels, and then I just wait for the price to go to those levels. I read the price action there and I take my trades. Do I see any slippage on with TradeSyncer? Yeah, that's always gonna happen when you're using a copy trader tool, always. But make sure you have keys on. These, you gotta have these on. Lucid or TPT, both are pretty good. My favorite is Tradeify, but all three are pretty good. How is it trading on a Mac? I don't use any software, so it's like trading on any computer. Like, you can literally trade on anything. I used to trade options only on my phone. So, I mean, I think sometimes people overcomplicate trading. If you have internet, you can trade off of anything, to be honest. But I do think you need a good, like, if you're starting trading, you shouldn't be trading from a phone. I have 3 screens, but it's mostly because I have to watch a bunch of stuff because I'm doing the stream. So I'm watching YouTube. I have YouTube, OBS, which is the software used for the stream. So I have that on one screen. I think you can, yes, I think you can. Because when you're gonna add a prop on TradeSyncer, it asks you that. So yeah, I think you can. I was thinking about that the other day because I think Readme or Wealth Chart accounts are cheaper on Apex, right? So you can might work with that. Okay. Nice pullback here on NQ. Let's see if it can hold this little level. If it can hold here, I like it. Gonna wait a little bit. Okay. Ooh, I don't like that. Let's see if you can hold that level. Okay, I like that reaction. Same thing here on ES. ES looks a little stronger than NQ there. I want to see NQ holding here. Yes. That was beautiful on ES. Anyone caught that? Okay. Nice. You did on yes? Beautiful. Yep, that's exactly what we were looking for, right? See guys, trading doesn't have to be so overcomplicated and so like jumpy and like, oh, I missed a trade or I'm gonna enter here because the market is moving. No, you just wait to see what's the real trend for the day, and then you just wait for a pullback, and then you enter there. You have a clear stop loss, clear plan for your entry, stop loss, and PT, and then you just let it do whatever the market wants to do. And that's it. Sometimes it's gonna work. Most of the time it's gonna work if you do it right. If you really know how to read candlesticks, you really know how to put your levels, which is pretty easy, not difficult to be honest. And then you just wait. You just wait for the trade to come to you, not the other way around. And if it stop you out, but that's gonna happen sometimes. But you did the right thing. You understood. You have a good plan. You know what's your stop loss, your PT, your entry, everything. And if the market have a plan to get you out of your trade, that it's gonna happen. But at least you follow your plan. And you just let the market do whatever it wants to do. And if it doesn't work, but you had a good plan, a good entry, and good stop loss, you can try it again. The key is being patient and not blowing up your accounts. That was beautiful. This trade, perfect. I'm telling you guys, you just need to let the market show you what's the trend, and then you wait for a strong push, wait for a pullback, you enter at a support level so you can know what's your stop loss, and then you let the market go to the next resistance. And if to stop you out, but you had a good trade. Like here, I think it's gonna stop me out of this trade. We'll see. Yeah, SMH is dragging NQ lower. I mean, you guys have seen me doing it. Where do I have my chart, and when do you can see here? This is trade away. You can see here. This is trading view. Like, you guys are seeing that. Come on. Yeah, I got stop out there. NQ today, it's moving exactly like yesterday, guys. I got stop out there, sadly. But it was a good trade, so I don't regret my trade here. It was a pretty good trade. SMH is pretty weak. Yes. Yeah, the market today is exactly like yesterday. We have ES pretty strong. NQ having a lot of trouble going higher because SMH is pretty weak. If I see another pullback here in ES and it holds, I'm gonna take this. NQ is very, very choppy because of SMH. Apple is pretty strong. Nvidia is also holding the VWAP, so that's nice. SMH is the one that is dragging this move lower here on NQ. let's see if it's gonna go back down to 30K. And look at the difference between the 30-minute time frame on NQ and ES. So these are the two 30-minute candles on ES today, and these are the two 30-minute candles on NQ. They're almost, on NQ, they're almost at the same, like they almost have the same size. That means we're not having a clear trend here. On ES, the second 30-minute candle is right inside the one before. So ES definitely stronger than NQ. Right now it's at the golden pocket. It could go a little bit lower to the 50% retracement. That's exactly pre-market highs. So I definitely like more ES for a long play. NQ is weaker. That's an ugly, ugly fake out. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's gonna hold here again. And so Mage is about to lose morning's lows. That's no bueno. Another hold here on ES. I want to see NQ going lower and see how it's gonna react here to the 30K level. That's morning lows pretty much. Also want to see if ES can hold here at pre-market highs. Let's see if NQ can hold 30k and ES keeps holding here. I like it. But if ES loses 30k, I think we're gonna go a lot lower. The next one, it's gonna be pre-market lows. But I find it so scary to short this market. It's weird. Oh, that's a big, yeah, that's a big breakout. Or breakdown, should I say. That's ugly. Yep. Okay. Yeah, guys, so remember that we talked about how the market doesn't have a clear, looking at the bigger picture, the market doesn't have like a clear trend. We're just messing around inside this huge chart range. Well, that's the price action that you get when the market doesn't have a clear trend on the bigger time frames. It's very choppy. Hit stop loss on both trades. I only took one trade. And my trade is green and I'm already out. Like, you guys saw me. I mean, you guys see everything here. Yeah, ugly fake out on both ES and NQ here. Under 30k, let's see if we can have something like this on NQ. Yeah, it's SMH, very weak. Liquidity grab ADR. I don't know. I don't even know what's liquidity grab. I don't use that. Guys, I only use support resistance candlestick. That's the only thing I use for trading. I do not understand a bunch of stuff that people talk online about trading. I just keep it very simple. No ICT, no bookmark, or no volume, no liquidity, no nothing. Only support, resistance, trend, and candlesticks, which is price action. Can we get this? That was a nice 30k reaction there. Okay, I'm all out. I'm all out and done. I made almost 12k today, copy trading with multiple accounts. And I'm done, guys. That's my day for today. That's my day today. I'm done. Thank you, Joy. That's Boom Boom Day on Thursday. Beautiful, beautiful week. How many accounts? A bunch of accounts. Some accounts are playing double this, and other accounts only just copy trading that. So it depends on the buffer that I have on the accounts. It depends on the size. Well, all the accounts are 50k, so they're all the same. But yeah, it depends on the buffers. On some accounts, I'm playing these multiply by 2. And yeah. Oh, by the way, I've been trading with a personal account. So today and yesterday, that's why you guys didn't see me copy trading here, and only one account, because these are personal accounts. So yeah, awesome day. We got two really nice trades. Beautiful, beautiful week. I think we have every single day green this week. So with the buffer, I think on Tradeify you need to make like 2600 or something like that. But I always go to 3K. Like my buffer, it's always, I always think about, okay, I need to make 3K, and then above that, it's when I apply for payments. So on the 50K, I always go for 3K, around 3K. Like, yeah, around 3K. So I think some props is the buffer for the 50K accounts it's either 2600 or 2500 or something like that. But yeah, I go for 3K, just easy number. But yeah, that's my day. You give out a trade. What do you mean? I don't know. I don't understand. But if you're meaning if I telling you when to get in or out, no. And you shouldn't be looking for that. You should be looking for learning and understanding what's going on, and then you apply that knowledge into your trading. Never copy trade anyone. That's a really bad practice, especially because what happened if that person disappear the next day? I want you guys to be able to trade without me. I don't want anyone copy me. Or anyone. Okay, I'll see you guys again Monday. Remember to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you again next week. Happy 4th. Thank you. Bye.
Markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, Smirky got a fashion. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash.